Welcome to all to Mathematics Made Easy. So today we touch upon multiplication, the technical way you do, and this is for little younger children of 5th and 6th, how fast they can go without making maths a little dry. So let's do easy multiplication. So we have easy multiplication. So if you have like 24 into 35, you multiply, I'm just doing it, 20 carry to 120, put a cross. Why do you put a cross? Do you know why do you put a cross? The teacher said it, so we put it. So I'm explaining that. So then I do the tens, that's 12, carry 1 and 72, I get 840, right? What actually we are doing is, we are doing 24, we're breaking up the 30 and 5, 3 tens and 5, but we are reverse multiplying first the units and then the tens. So we are writing as 25 into this is 20, 120, plus I put a 0 and multiply 3 into 24, that gives me 720, and add it up, I get 840. So that is why we are putting this. Actually the one cross means a 0. We are doing 30 times 24 is 720. So this is, you can replace this by a 0. For example, when you are doing, teacher said put first row multiply second row 1 cross, third row 2 crosses. That's only because of the place values. If I am multiplying, suppose 325 with 123, right? I go your way, that is 15 carry 1 7, 3 3s are 9, 0. I think that's more correct and more understanding. 20 times. So that is 0. Then I'm multiplying 2 5s 10. Then carry 1, 2 2s 4 and 1 5. And 2 3s are 6. Then we are multiplying 100. So we are putting, that is 2 crosses you put. So you can put 2 crosses or 2 zeros. And then I multiply 100 times 325 is 32500. And then I'm adding, so that is 5 and 7 and 19 and 9 and 3. This 0 is because of 2 5s are 10. This 0, sorry. So this 0, that's why I got 2 zeros. This is the way. So here what are we doing actually? 325, then 100 and a 20 and a 3. Right? So we are multiplying in the reverse order. First the units, then the tens, and then the 100. So I'm multiplying 3 with 325, that's the first row, 975. Then 20 with the second row is the multiplication with 20. That's 20 times this is 6500. And then 100 times, that is 32500. That's how you got 3 rows, 3 numbers, horizontal and vertical. Sometimes horizontal multiplication becomes easier. Now the same sum, now if I want to, now this is regular way of doing and just explaining why do you put 1 cross, 2 cross as you go increasing the rows. Okay. Now coming to, suppose you had 24 into 35. Very simple for all of you. Even whether in 8th standard or 7th standard, you are taking time to put in the rough column one below the other. Why don't you do here? 24 and you can say 5 7s are 35. Break up one of the numbers into 2 factors whose tables you're very fast with. So you multiply this. So that is 24 times 5 is 120. 5 4s are 20, carry 2. Then I multiply with 7. So 7 zeros are 0 and 7 12s are 84. So I am faster. I'm just explaining to you, but you do it at home. Practice will go very fast. So let us try another one. Suppose you have like say 48 and into say 56. Right? Same thing. So here again you do it 48 and 56. 14 fours are, but 14 tables you don't know. So we write 8 sevens are. Single numbers, very easy to multiply. First multiply these two. 8 8s are 64, carry 6. 8 4s are 32 and a 38 and into 7 again. So we are doing just in a line. 28, carry 2, 7 8s are 56 and the 2, 58, carry 5, 7 3 is 21, and the 5 is 26. Let us do another one where you have a big number like 725 and you have a number like 24. Right? So here we multiply 725, 4 is an easy number and 4 6 are 24. So we multiply 4 5 are 20, carry 2, 4 2 are 8, 10, carry 1, and 4 7 are 27, 28 and 29. Then I multiply with 6. So I multiplied these two, I got this answer. Now I'll say 6. The 0 became easy, I got 2 zeros. And 6 9s are 54, carry 5, and 6 2s are 12, and that gives me 12 plus 7, 17. So this is way of breaking up into factors and just going on doing without making a rough column and then writing one below the other, and then we are multiplying. Children, for fast mathematics, I advise you that always know tables till 16. But better if you know till 25, learn squares of numbers till 50, and learn cubes till 30. Your maths goes very fast, especially in multiplication, division, okay, and other calculations. Wherever you find maths boring, it's not boring, children. Every calculations can be made simple. Now, if for the 4th and the 5th level, sometimes we teach the block method, 39 into 53. You know the block method? So that you make a block like this, right? And then you have the multiplication sign, 30 broken up to 30 and 9. And here we write 53 as 50 and 3. 50 and 3. Okay? So, this is 1500. Right? This is 1500. And then we have 50 into 9, 450. 3 into 30 is 90. And 3 into 9 is 27. So when we add this, 1590. When I add this, 774. 774. And we add these two numbers. That becomes 7. And then you have 9 and 7, 16. Okay, and then carry 1. Right? So here you can add this way if you want. That is 7, 16, carry 1, 10, carry 1 and 2. So this is the answer of the multiplication. But actually, it's not very short, but it's very logical, so the child does not get confused. It takes time. So just an alternative method. I'm giving you all the alternative methods. You sit at home, tell your mom to give some sums and see which one becomes faster for you. And then you have the other option. The other option is like you have the Vedic maths. It says that you have a 36 and you have a 40, say 5, and then I multiply. The Vedic math says multiply vertically, multiply crosswise, multiply vertically. So that means 6 5s are 30. So I write 0 and I carry a 3. Then cross multiplication, 15, 5 3s are 6 4s are. So that's 15 and a 24. Add up these numbers. 8 and 4, 12, carry 1. That's 2, 3, 4. So 42. I have a carry 4 and 3 4s are 12. Now vertically, that's 12 and that becomes 16. So 1620. Let's see one more examples. There will be some confusion. Okay. So suppose you have 63 and a 79. 63 and a 79. So here again vertically 27. I write the units. Tens are carried here. Then cross multiplication 54 and a 21 crisscross. And add up these numbers. 6 plus 1 7 and 7. I write the 7. Again there's a carry 7. This one. The 7. And then I multiply 6 7s are 42. And that becomes 49. Okay. Now let us see the other method of doing this multiplication. 63 into 79. Now I will show you a nice way. 63. 79 is very close to 80. So 80 minus 1. And that gives me Just you have to put the 0 here, and 8 3s are 24, carry 2, 48 and 50. I'm multiplying 80 with 63, copying the 0, multiplying 8 with 63. Okay, and then minus 63. So that's, I just have to minus it, and minus methods are very easy. 40, you have 140, so you can subtract 63. And how fast? Next class, in the next session, I'll teach you fast addition and fast subtraction. You know that? So here this is 7, and this is 7, and this is 9, and this is 4. This is the number. Right? So, you got the same answer in the previous one. Otherwise, if you do not like subtraction, there's another method. That was 63 into 79. Though it takes a little longer, right? So if you don't like, I too do not like negative. I don't like to be negative in life. I like to be positive. I like positive signs. So therefore, you can do 79 into 60 plus 3. Right? So it's addition and it's easier. So again, I multiply 60 with 79. I put a 0. 6 9s are 54. And then 5, 6 7s are 42. And 5 is 47. And then plus 3 times this number. We multiply 60 with 79. And we multiply 3 with 79. Those who are in 7 and 8, they know of opening brackets. It may be a little confusing for little ones, maybe 4th and the 5th. Why is the teacher multiplying with both? So 3 with 79, and the 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 3 7s are 21, and 2 37. I add 237, and I get 7, 7, 9, 4. Same answer, right? Now, you add this way. You can add 4,000 is only 1, 700 plus 200 is 900, and 40 and 37 is 77. So you can add it mentally by adding the highest digits to the lowest digit, which I'll teach you again in the next part, how to add not from the left to the left this way, but from this way. That is left to the right. Right to the left, we always generally do the addition. Okay, like 4,000, there's no 4,000. 4,700 plus 200 is 900, 4,900, and 40 plus 37 is 77. Okay, so here you have this, and we'll be continuing, children, the second part, and what are the magic numbers where here you don't have to multiply and you get the magic numbers 10,000, 100. So we continue next class, children. Thank you, and please subscribe and pass your comments or give any problems you have. You just send it to this channel, Mathematics Made Easy. Thank you. God bless you.